This is a tutorial for teachers of private music studios on how to teach your kids via the internet or from home using an app called Zoom. It's available on your computer and on devices such as Android devices and Apple devices. Go to your App Store. You're going to want to search up Zoom, Z-O-O-M, and it is free. We currently already have it on the iPad, so we're just going to open it through here. Now we're going to sign in. If you don't have a username or password, make one. Okay, so now we're signed in. And the way to start a meeting, this is just like Skype or FaceTime, except you can use multiple different camera angles. So if you have two devices, you can have one device where you can see your student and one device facing your piano or the instrument where you can teach them through. Now that you've opened this account on your tablet or other device, you can go to your other device that you'll use to point at the instrument, and you're going to want to download the Zoom app again. So it's already in here. And what you can do is you can go to your device, click on New Meeting. Then that's how you start one. Video on, and then click the on button for that. It's going to be off naturally. You can press Start Meeting, and it's going to show up like that. You can press Call using Internet Audio. You can tap the device. There's going to be a bar that comes up right up there. You're going to tap Participants, and that's going to pop up. Then you can see down here, there's a button called Invite. You're going to tap that, and then there's different options you can do to invite your other device to use for the lesson. So for here, I'm going to put Send Message, and because it's an iPad, I can text it on the iCloud, and then it'll pop up over here in the messages right here. It's the most recent one. So I tap on that. All I do is I have the app. I don't have to install, or I don't have to make a new account for this phone. I just need the app. Don't need to sign in or anything. And it'll ask me what I want to be called on the meeting, and I press Continue. So now I press Join with Video, and it's going to be a little bit screechy because of the beginning, the audio feedback. But what we're going to do is we're going to prevent that by pressing the mute button on each to start with. And now you have both this and your phone, so you can use this to see your student when they join, and you can use this to point at your instrument from a certain angle. Now we are at the student's perspective. This is the student's email, and they see an email from the teacher. They click on that, and there will be a link, Join Zoom Meeting. They'll click on that, and then we'll wait for a second. Go and download Zoom. Now here we go. So you can click right here at the very top. There's different cameras. I'm going to pin that video. So now they can see the piano, and they can also see up here and talk to the teacher, which is what will be right here. And now over here at the teacher's view, there's the phone pointing at the piano. Now the teacher can press right here and see the student, which is right over there. So now the student can see both the teacher and the piano, and the teacher can see the student. And the student can change his video and point his camera at the piano so the teacher can see what he's doing as well. Now another very useful feature for the teacher, you tap on here, you can go up here to Share Content. Now this will allow you to share music sheets or anything you want to with the student so they can see it on their screen. In this circumstance, we have it as a photo that we've taken of this music sheet right here. So we tap on Share Content, go to Photos, yes, access the photo library, and now we'll tap on that, Music, and then press Done. It'll pop up like this. And so what the student will see is the exact same thing. Now from here the student can take a picture of that or screenshot it, whatever they want to do, so they can also see the music, and then the lesson can continue. So that's a way, very easy, for the teacher to send documents and tests or quizzes or music sheets to the student. I hope you found this tutorial very useful.
And if you have any questions, you can leave some comments for Brandon and myself, Diana.
And have a good day.